I read the entire decision, 100 plus pages, and I can only say that it is the Senate who will decide on this particular matter, because this is not just the first time that it happened. In the time of the impeachment of then Chief Justice Corona, may ganyan din, and there was a voting, may ilang mga senador na bumoto not to submit to the decision of the Supreme Court. So we will abide by the rules and will make sure that the Senate Impeachment Court and the entire Senate will do its part.
Last lang, Senator, ano pong aabangan ng ating sambayanan po sa part naman po ng Senate in relation to impeachment trial? May caucus daw po kayo?
Oh, definitely bukas, pero ang main focus ng aming caucus ay legislation. No? We wanted to work, at yun ang talagang mandato ni SP Cheese sa amin para masiguro na mas marami kaming batas na maipasa at ang makinabang dito, directly taong bayan kaagad. Salamat po.
Thank you.